Erbahan's Lihan is really simple. As traders, we fire vertically left and right. Tilt horizontally down at an angle between 10 and 20 degrees. We use a zigzag ironing technique. Han Tiao approaches the corner and stops, then melts the edges of the breech using the molten stone's temperature, ensuring the edges are even. Now the coarse yarn speed is 85 and the fuse speed is 20.6. In fact, it's still the real current and voltage. The current is around 100 and the voltage is around 20. That's how it's shaped, guys. The edges are even, and we control the rod at 0.5 millimeters. Those who have learned double-click, follow, and share trader skills every day.